Right-click the Start menu on your laptop and click Device Manager. Once it loads properly, click the drop-down arrow next to Keyboards. You'll see a list of keyboard devices. Look for HID keyboard. That's your external keyboard. The one listed below it is your laptop's built-in keyboard. Right-click on that one. Select Uninstall Device and click Uninstall. It will ask if you want to restart. Click No. Now, open the Start menu again. Click the power icon and select Shutdown. Once your laptop is fully off, turn it back on. When it boots back up, try typing on your laptop keyboard. You'll notice it's no longer working. Your external keyboard will still work perfectly fine. Now, if you ever want to re-enable your laptop keyboard, it's simple. Open the Start menu, click the power icon, and this time select Restart. Once your laptop restarts, your built-in keyboard will be working again. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Also, press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.